It look level?
Yep. Except for that one, yep.
This one here?
Yep, that
A little
one's
off. The others look pretty
Oh yeah, I'm
level.
a little off too. We want to make sure that the fire is keep going here. So let me chop a little more. Oh, we would put on there. Check your fire. We don't want it to go out.
It's not. It's catching.
Go in
Oh,
the
lots of
basket so it
newspapers.
doesn't fall all over. So,
21.
no, just the 20. Just the 20.
Ooh, we need to put more fire there.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Oh my God, how is it? Kim, our animal. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm so loud. I'm sorry.
5 pots. 5 standing. Christian, how come your line's so straight?
Patience.
Patience. Process.
Because he's like that. He can do that.